Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need the level or gear minimum and the Dedu emblem. Once done, go directly to the faction contact to accept the raid quest. This triggers the instance. Make sure you assemble a balanced 4 to 8 player team and assign roles before leaving town. You should also stash excess consumables and set a quick travel point near the raid zone. This gets you into position quickly and avoids losing time on avoidable resets. You enter the instance and clear trash to open the first gate. Keep cooldowns ready and focus high-priority adds. Once inside, proceed to the shrine sequence, north then east then central, and interact in that order to avoid respawn penalties. While shrines progress, assign 2 players to the time-gated rune puzzle. You must align 3 runes within 45-second windows to unlock the inner door. Stay communicative. If a rune fails, pause and reset the mechanic. You reach the final boss with a clear plan. Interrupt major casts, split the group on tether mechanics, and focus burn during the boss's vulnerability windows. Once the boss dies, everyone loots the Dedu Raid chest and you return to the faction contact to complete the quest and claim rewards. If the encounter prevents progress, first verify roles and player cooldowns, then reset the puzzle sequence and confirm the Dedu emblem is in your inventory. If issues persist, swap a member with specific cleanse or interrupt tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.